Today, we come to inspire, to empower, to create. With these students, we're bringing hip-hop and architecture together. This is the future of our communities. This is the future of music. This is the future of design.
We are creating hip-hop as a catalyst to introduce youth to architecture and urban planning.
The more you teach the community about what architecture is, the easier it is for them to understand and contribute.
Now I see how people's thought process kind of affects what they build and how they execute it.
Hip-hop is the voice of the community today. It's the voice of the youth. And if we can link architecture or any other profession to hip-hop, we can immediately get more youth to take action. They have the pulse of the community. They know what's going on in those neighborhoods. They can come and start to create some design solutions for some of the issues that might plague that community that are related to bad design and bad urban planning.
Sometimes as architects, we kind of swoop in with, our Superman cape and say to people, this is what you need, or this is what was successful in these suburbs, and we can kind of plop it here.
It's really fun, actually, because you get to kind of put your ideas out on paper and show other people what you're thinking in a way that's different to saying it or writing it. You can actually do it.
How can we literally see music? We have students analyze each word of a verse of one of their favorite hip hop songs. And
count the words in each line of the song, and each word would equal one box on the grid paper, and by the time you're done, you should have a pretty cool looking skyline.
My passion is teaching kids about how they can change their communities, how they can change their environments, how they can participate in the forming of a city.
Students came up with things such as community centers that have alternative programming within them, safe places for kids who are looking to get out of gangs.
This can be a tool for them to change the communities into what they would like the communities to be.
I started off by drawing something on a piece of paper, and now it's actually gonna be in my hands.
They can now start to imagine how they can create a skyline or create a skyscraper. And the most important thing is this idea that they can build and imagine the communities that they want to see. They can create anything.
Try it, and if you like it, you should stick to it.
Follow something that you're passionate about. Be great at it.
Futuristic, don't get it twisted. This is LA, build it up.